Hi, this is Mia again. I'm at the ViewSonic booth, InfoComm 2024. I'm the product manager for ViewSonic projectors, and these are our latest laser projectors that we're launching at InfoComm 2024. So what you are seeing here, this one is the award winner from the Projector Central. That's the show-throw laser projector, 4,200 ANSI lumens. A great combination of 1080p laser and also show-throw lens to allow you the best golf simulating experience. So what you are seeing here, they are all adapting the latest laser technology. So what does the new laser technology offer is a more powerful laser engine in a more compact and a power efficient form factor. So what you're seeing, the size is really compact and small, but the performance is very powerful. There are 5,000 ANSI lumens, 4,002 ANSI lumens, and also 3,500 ANSI lumens. We have all different kinds of laser technology for different scenario. So this 711 show-throw projector, that's good for show-throw for people who have space limitations or golf simulator. At the same time, we have another using the same laser technology, but a different design for Xbox chip to allow you to have the best gaming experience and also 4K resolution. We also have a WXGA and a 1080p version available. So here we're excited to share with you our new laser technology in all different kind of scenario. If you want to learn more about ViewSonic's projectors, you can go to our website, viewsonic.com/InfoComm 2024.